Looking real hard and I'm trying to find a job, but it just keeps getting harder every day. But I'm going to do my part, cause I know in my heart YouTube land, how y'all doing? I'm gonna show y'all how to do a screen install. I'm gonna take the old screen off of there, and I got new screen over there. So I'm gonna show you how to do that in this video. Pretty simple. First thing you're gonna need is one of these. This is for when you put the new screen in. First thing you're gonna need is like a flat tip of something. Okay? Because you're gonna have to pull back the rubber stripping that's in the screen here. So you pull back this rubber stripping very carefully because you're gonna want to reuse it if you're like me. So you're gonna want to reuse it for the new screen, but just peel it out. It's kind of like peel and stick, except for you peel this rubber piece out. I've already done one screen. I'll take you guys over and show you that real quick in a second. So you take this out. You don't want to lose it, so you set it where you won't lose it. It'll be over here. Then you just find a spot, pull it. Comes right out of there just like this. It's screens from the 1970s. So no wonder it was easy for my cat to tear up. Well, anyway, let me show you this screen that I got in already. I did one screen this morning when I first got here. I got the fan in the window to keep it cool in there. I got the roof vent open on the top, so there you go. That's how I did one screen. So I'm gonna show you this project on this screen right here. I'm gonna show you how I do it. So keep watching here. It's easy. What I do, take the roll, flip over like this. Pretty simple. Lay it out. Do a little bit different than I did it this morning. This morning I just threw it on here and cut away. So I'm going to cut this excess off. I'm going to leave a little bit of overhang so I have more than enough. Measure twice, cut once, you know the old saying. Well, this is screen here. Alright, so I just cut what I need out of here. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is start by running this on the side. Starting at this point right here. I don't know if y'all can see that. I'm going to start at that point and use this to press it in the groove. Gotta put a little bit of pressure on this tool. Get it in the groove, just like that. And you want to run it up, run it into the groove, just like that. Just like that. Pretty simple. Once I do that, then I go over here and tug it a little bit this way. You know, it don't matter if it's taut. I gotta turn the screen this way, as you see. Turn it this way. It's never perfect with me. Let's just get it done, boy. It's a long overdue process. It's been needing to be done for a while. Anyway, kind of rub that in
Maybe I'll edit this out. Just kidding. It's not perfect, but you know what? It is what it is. My cat has decided to tear up the old screen by putting her claws on it, you know. So anyway, she's tore it up a little bit, and I don't care if there's a little bit of wrinkly. You know what? I don't care. I'm not here for perfection, but I'm here to do something to keep the flies and bugs out of my trailer, and keep the mosquitoes out, of course. It's not perfection. It's not going to be like professionally done. So I just pulled that little top up there. You know, tot. Is that how we say it nowadays? Tot. I guess that's how we could say it. Tot. You know, it's not perfect. It'll work. Ain't nothing perfect. And you know, I learned something this morning. I was like, I didn't realize I could do a job like this. But I was wrong. Which I've been wrong before. Pretty simple job. They sell screens down at Walmart, and they sell this tool for like $3. Something comes in handy. It's better than using a flathead screwdriver and cussing that flathead screwdriver out. But once I get this rolled in here, I'll show you guys what the finished product looks like once I get done here. Sure, y'all can imagine what the finished product is gonna look like. Hey, it ain't gonna be perfect, you know. It ain't gonna be like a professional did it, but you know what? It ain't gotta be like a professional did it. I'm not no professional, but I can do home repairs to my own trailer here. You know, that's all I'm gonna say. Is I can do home repairs to my trailer, you know, not really upgrade, but it's part of being a homeowner, you know. Really, think about it. You own your home, something breaks, you gotta fix it. You got a water leak, you gotta fix it. You got, I don't know, you got grass you gotta cut, okay. Well, being a nomad out on the road like I am, you gotta literally do what you need to do to get things done. See, being a nomad, you know, you gotta fix your repairs, you gotta fix things that get broken. So don't ask me how, but this happened to me twice. It happened to me twice. Don't ask me how it happened twice. But both times it happened to me, I ended up with a little bit of rubber sticking out on the end. It happened on my other screen too. And I pushed it all down. You know, I rolled the roller around, pushing it all down. Whoops. Oopsie. So anyway, somehow I ended up with an extra tail hanging off of there. So anyway, I don't know how that happened, but it happened twice. For I've done 2 screens. I got to do a couple more screens. You know, I'm just doing some home repairs. You know, like a RV owner would do, a trailer owner, house owner, you know, what have you. So I cut the excess off. And it's not going to be like perfect. But, you know, I'm not out here for perfect. If I wanted perfect, I'd have went to a window repair place that does screen installs and paid a ton of money. So you could save yourself a few bucks by doing some of the repairs yourself to either your trailer, your house, your home. Even if you rent the home, you can still do repairs to a rental place. And sometimes the landlord actually likes it when you do repairs to their property. Yeah. So I just go along here, cut. You know, I don't care about perfection. I don't care if it looks neat, really. All I'm looking for is if it keeps the bugs out, if it keeps the flies out, you know, just turn it for flies. Lord knows, bugs can get annoying. So yeah, I don't care if there's an overhang, see? The finished product right there in front of your face. Now, that is how you do a screen installation. I will show you. I will put the phone right here and tilt it up a little bit. That way you guys can see me put it in. I'm going inside the trailer real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in. Line it up. Daddy forgot to line it up. And that should be YouTube land. Brand new screens on that window. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon on the road. Bye-bye.